Hey Superstars! My name is Miss Sieber. This is my virtual classroom and welcome to Superstar Parking. So last episode, I showed you guys how to use a picture graph to determine information. We were looking at my students' favorite video games. So today, we are going to be looking at my students' favorite type of cars. Now, instead of using a picture graph, we are going to look at the information and actually make a picture graph together. But before we get to my fun stuff, you guys know the rules. Everyone take their right hand, put it inside your imaginary backpack, pull out your math thinking cap, put it on, turn it on, kiss your brain, one more kiss, and let's get ready to learn. So we know in a picture graph, we have a title, a key, and we have rows. Now, before we make my picture graph, we need to look at the information we are using today. So my table says favorite car brands. So the car brands we are looking at today is Nissan, Honda, Infiniti, and Lexus. So I asked my students, what is your favorite type of car brand? Now, when we are making a picture graph, the first step we need to do is create the title. We are looking at favorite car brands. So my title will be favorite car brands. Let's put it on my picture graph. But I have a question. Where is it going to go? Well, my title should not go at the bottom. It shouldn't go in the middle. So we are going to put my title at the top so you know exactly what the picture graph is explaining. All right, Superstars, we completed step one. We put my title on my picture graph, favorite car brands. Air high five, way to go. Now, step number two, we need to create the labels that are gonna go on my rows. So, step number two, we need to now plug in my information in my rows. Let's start with the car brands I am talking about. So, my first car brand is Nissan. So I'm going to put Nissan, Honda, Infiniti, and Lexus on my picture graph. Alright, Superstars, as you guys can see, I completed step one and step two. Now, before I put the pictures on my graph, we need to create the key so I know what each picture represents. So let's look at my table and see the key that we are using. As you can see, Nissan, there was 5 students that voted. For Honda, there were 5 students, Infiniti, there were 10, and Lexus, there were 5. So for my key, each object or each flag is going to represent 5 students. So let's put it on my picture graph. Whoa, that looks awesome. So my key says each flag represents 5 students. So we completed step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, the only thing we are missing is now we need to use the flags and put them on my picture graph. We now need to look at my table and see how many students chose Nissan. So, 5 students chose Nissan. 1 flag represents 5 students. So we only need to put 1 flag on my picture graph for Nissan. So I put 1 picture or 1 flag for Nissan because 5 students chose Nissan. Now, 5 students also chose Honda, so I also need to put 1 flag for Honda. Now, when we are looking at the car brand Infiniti, I could see 10 students chose it as their favorite car brand. So that means we need to put 2 flags. All right, Superstars, and last but not least, Lexus. 5 students chose Lexus, so that means we just need 1 flag. Wow, Superstars, you guys did an amazing job. But before we see my surprise for today, let's make sure we have all of the elements of my picture graph. So, we have my title, we have my rows, we have my pictures, and we have my key. Way to go! Yay! Air high five and kiss your brain because you guys did an amazing job at helping me create a picture graph. Now, I want you guys to take your handy dandy virtual pencil, your virtual paper, and I want you guys to create your own picture graph on your sheet of paper and share it with me so I can see how amazing you guys are. All right, Superstars, today my surprise is so amazing. So, Miss Sieber has baby chickens at her house. Ooh. So I thought it would be an awesome idea if not only you guys were able to see the chickens and meet the chickens, but I also made something for them the chickens. So I made the chickens a superstar car. I used some Pam tops, I used a little piece of cardboard, and I put a little label on it. So I want to see not only how the chickens like their car, but let's see which is faster, the chickens or my superstar car. So let's go get the chickens and take a look. All right, superstar, so here's one of our chickens, and this is one of the little babies, and he is just outside for the first time, and I'm a little scared that he might try to fly away. It's okay. It's okay. Would you guys like to say hi?
Hey!
Hi. Say hi. All right, superstars. So we're outside. Here's my little chicken, and he looks a little scared. Let's see if he wants to ride my superstar car. Come here, chicky. On your mark, get set,